Hey guys, Shabu here. So as you grow your online business, you're going to start earning money and you're going to be earning in dollars in most cases. So as you can see, this is a $100 bill I went to withdraw yesterday just to make this video. It's actually the reason why I couldn't upload the video yesterday because I was too tired after I came back from the bank. So what I'll be doing today is I'll walk you step by step on how to open a DOM account or domiciliary account in Nigeria. You don't have to go to the bank to do this. And then I'm going to share some of the advantages as well as the disadvantages as well as my experience when I went to the bank to withdraw. So the first thing you have to do is to head over to this website. This is UBA's online opening website. So one of the advantages of UBA is that customer service is very responsive. Like it takes about 1 to 4 hours before you get a response if you email them. While that is not good, it is better than no reply at all because I've had experiences with other banks that do this. So when you get to this website, you just select the country, Nigeria, and then you click on submit. Next, you're going to be taken to this page. I'm doing it on the computer, but you can do this on your phone. When I first made the DOM account, I did it on my phone. I'm just doing it on my computer because of convenience. Alright, so you click on open with BVN if you have a BVN. If you don't have a BVN, well, I don't know what's going to happen because I don't know if there's anyone out there right now that doesn't have a BVN and wants to work with the bank. So click on open with BVN. Next, you want to input all of this. So enter your BVN number, enter your phone number, your date of birth, your email address, and then the account type. You want to select Freedom Savings Domiciliary Account. Make sure you select this. And after that, click on I agree with the terms and conditions and then click next. So I'm going to do this and then I'll head back when it's done. Alright, so next you're going to be sent a code to your phone number. So you have to input the code here. And this is a box that they specified for you. And then you have to upload your picture. So you can upload your picture by tapping on browse and then you find the picture in your phone. Alright, so I'm done with that now. I'm going to click next. So finally you want to fill up this section. If you are a Mr. or an Alpha, a Mrs. or a Miss, you select that from here. You select your marital status, your occupation, country of birth. On this part, just select any branch of UBA that's closest to you. Then I'm sure you know how to fill out the rest. And when you're done, you click on submit. Because I've already created a DOM account, I don't have to do this. So when you're done with that, the DOM account is going to be created for you. If you're going to be using this DOM account that you're creating to receive money from AdSense, well, the good part about UBA is you're going to get the money paid on the next day. You know, normally Google pays on the 21st. It doesn't matter if it's a Sunday, a holiday, whatever it is, Google always pays on the 21st of each month. So with this DOM account, from my experience, you receive it the next day. So after you're done creating the account, well, the only way you can see the account is by using the new mobile app, the new UBA mobile app. You know, there's an older one and the newest one. And the newest one has been having issues because so many people have not been able to access it or log in. So there's a VPN you can use called Potato VPN. I'll leave a link to that in the description so you guys can download it. All the links to the stuff we are doing today will be in the description so you guys can check it out if you want. So download that VPN and select any free server. I use a server from the USA, so you can select that one as well. And then you log into the mobile app and then you're going to see your new DOM account. Alright, so here is my experience about going to the bank to withdraw. And when I got there, I got the slip, I filled it. And when I gave it to the cashier, she told me that I can't withdraw everything. I have to leave at least $10. So I filled up another slip because I wanted to withdraw everything. I thought this was like a freedom account, like your student account, so you can withdraw as much as you want. But that's not the case. So I filled another slip and I gave it to her. And this time I left $10 out of everything I had. So when she met one of her supervisors, she was almost screamed at because I don't know, it seems like she's new, I'm not sure, but she came back and she said that it's supposed to be $50 that was supposed to be left in the account, not $10. But she had to just let me go because she didn't want to waste my time. As you can see over here, it says there is no maximum cumulative balance for the Freedom account. However, customers will upgrade their account as soon as they exceed the debit turnover limit of $2,000. Now, I didn't understand this at first, so after so many back and forth with customer service, they explained that as you slowly withdraw your money, if you withdraw up to $2,000, like if the total withdrawal from your past withdrawals and your present one, if it gets up to $2,000, you're going to have to come to upgrade the account from the Freedom account to any other account you want to. But you're still going to receive dollars, so don't worry about it. You just need like a national ID card, any form of identification, and then any utility bill you can use to prove your address. Now I'm going to come back to that, but another thing is that you can't make transfers from a Freedom account into another account. So if you want to withdraw the money, you have to go to the bank. Alright, so when it comes to this $2,000 withdrawal limit, if you compare it with Wema Bank, they are saying you can withdraw up to $2,000 daily. Like that's the maximum you can withdraw. You can't withdraw more than $2,000, but you can withdraw it every day if you want. And that's better because most of us will not be even upgrading anytime soon. I really wish UBA would do the same thing with their banking methods, but well, I don't know. Anyways, so last week I decided to open a Wema bank account because of this $2,000 daily limit. I think it's better. So well, they are still on the process of verifying my identity. I don't know why it's taking so long. I've emailed them. So I suggest you guys go and register with Wema Bank so that they can start verifying your documents because they take too long. So just try and get that done. And I'm going to leave a referral code if you want to open the account. With the code, you're going to get 200 Naira and I'll get 500 Naira if you want to use the code, that is. But if you want to use the DOM account quick, then you can try UBA. You should be okay. So, like I said, I'll be creating a tutorial for the Wema account when they have verified my documents. But for this video, if you have questions that I haven't covered yet, then you can ask me in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. Alright, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.